First, the kiwi wakes up in its warm, cozy cave. It opens its eyes. Then it heads outside.
What's this crusty creature? Why is it staring at me? Oh hell nah. Help, why is the swan chasing me? Well, I can't swim. Okay, I'm safe here now.
Next, the kiwi discovers his little brother eating his lunch.
Chris, why are you eating lunch at 9:30 a.m?
I'm hungry, dude.
Fair enough, I'll eat too.
Next, the kiwi tries to look for more food since he and his brother ate all of it.
Is that more seeds? Well, me and Chris gonna have a fine lunch. Alright, let's go home. He will be so happy when he finds out I got him seeds. I'm getting so tired of walking. Chris, I'm back home. Bro, where's Chris? Whatever, I'm gonna eat the food and look for him later. I couldn't find him. Maybe he went home.
Hey big bro, why were you in the rain?
Chris, why didn't I see you when I came home with seeds?
I went to play outside XDD.
Bro, you got me wet in the rain. Whatever, I'll sit by the fire. Okay, Chris, it's bedtime. I'm so tired right now.
Good night, big bro.
Good night to you too, Chris. I'll see you in the morning.
Did bro really think this adventure was over? Hell no, there will be part 2 if we get 5 likes.